Hello dears and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity, I'm going to show you how to edit notes. First, we need to draw this shape. So you can draw any shape from here. You can select the shape, click here, and you can draw it like this. And if you want to edit the notes, if I click on the note tool, I cannot edit this or this one because I need to convert that to curve. So I'm going to select the shape, right click, and here we have this convert to curves. You can use the shortcut Control plus return. Just click. Now I can edit the notes. Just like this. Let's select this one and right click. Convert to curves. Now I can edit the notes. So this is how we can edit the notes or point with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.